What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with another episode of some shop action. And today we have a Duramax that I want to talk to you guys about. We get a ton of calls of people asking about, or with the question saying, hey, I have an LML Duramax, completely factory. I don't want to modify it in any kind of way, but I'm tired of thinking about my CP4 blowing up and causing all kinds of headaches and expensive repairs. So rest assured, we got an answer for you guys. Here we go. Let's check it out. Boom. There is the client's LML Duramax right there, completely torn apart. This right here is his old pump that we took off right there. That is the CP4 pump. If anybody doesn't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. You got your two little, I call them little cylinder heads right there. And then you have your pistons on opposite side, kind of like a little V-shaped engine. Unfortunately, these things put out a ton of pressure, but they are not very reliable. The same thing that makes them pretty efficient as far as putting out fuel pressure is the same thing that makes them very vulnerable. They are, I consider them a wear and tear item. It's just the design of them. I don't like it, but you know, I'm not an engineer. I didn't write the book. I'm just trying to read it to you. There it is now. His answer are obviously from our guys at SNS Fuel. Right here, CP3 pump with a conversion kit. This is what it will look like if you are completely factory, no kind of modification. This is the 50 state compliant. So yes, guys, you do have an answer. No need of any extra modifications. Plain and simple, you get the conversion kit that comes inside this box and the fuel pump that comes in this box. And there is a CP3, and you can tell it's got the little line there for that 9th injector. And this bad boy is going to be going into that truck right there. So yes, we do have answers for those types of clients that don't want to do any kind of modifications to their trucks. There's nothing wrong with going about it this way. We typically like to do fast fuel systems or whatnot. We like to have good fuel going to these CP3s or any kind of high pressure pump, but at the end of the day, we accommodate based on the client's needs. All we can do is provide as much information to help them make the best choice for their truck based on budget and their want and needs. So we got your answers for you. If you have a stock LML Duramax that you want to keep it simple, you don't want to modify it in any kind of way, but you still want to take that concern of blowing up your CP4 out of your mind, feel free to hit us up. We got you. Don't you worry about it. Always feel free to reach out to us on social media or give us a call at the office. We love chatting with you guys. We love all the responses. If you guys have any questions on any product feature in our shop action episodes, always feel free to reach out. Thank you guys. Peace.